Hey, I'm Lily, and I had the best weekend ever. Let me tell you all about it. On Saturday, I woke up late, around 10 a.m. I stayed up on Friday night watching a movie. I love weekends. First, I brushed my teeth and washed my face. Then, I had a quick breakfast, just cereal and milk. I got dressed because I was going out. I went to visit my aunt. We talked, laughed, and she made me my favorite cookies. After that, I went to a restaurant with my family. I had a burger and fries. Yummy. Then, we went to the cinema. I watched a funny movie and ate lots of popcorn. At night, I came back home, so tired but so happy. Before sleeping, I thought, that was a perfect Saturday. What about you? What did you do on your weekend? Tell me in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.